Neil Aquilano. Saan ba under ang Aurora Village? Barangay?
Aurora Village po, 3rd Street. Malapit po sa basketball court.
O, saan nga barangay siya?
Giwan po.
Iwan. Okay, sige. If you could leave a livelihood project for mothers here in Barangay Giwan, what would it be and why? If you could leave a livelihood project for mothers here in Giwan, what would it be and why?
The project would be recycling things because I believe recycling helps the ecosystem. We are knowledgeable that the layer of the earth is almost thinning because we are always burning plastic bottles. And through recycling, we are teaching our mothers not just the skill, but the confidence, and we are giving them the power to earn money. Recycling means turning trash into cash and turning garbage into treasure. I believe through this, mother becomes the eco-hero of the environment. And as a mother, I am very artistic about making plastic bottles. I turn them into pots, into vases, and also the plastic spoon, I turn them into decorations at home. You know, these things, this leads to be a mother, to be a good example for her children. Why? Because if the children see that their mother is saving the earth, they will also do this. They will also recycling things. And this will give a clearer and a cleaner environment of the society for our future leader. And I believe mothers nurture in different ways. And one mother rises, it will also inspire other mothers to rise also in their lives. And I believe as a mother, we only want a better future for our children, better than we have. And these recycling things will help a lot to us. And I believe that if a mother nurture her children, a mother also instilling the core values to her children. Through this recycling, the mother is already instilling a core values to her children. How? They respect and kind to anyone, at any background, at any status. And through this, they help the children to build a better future, to be a responsible leader of the future. And I believe that if a mother nurture her children, the children also become one of the greatest leaders that a nation could ever have. And that's good deal. Good evening.
Ayan naman, Kylie. Ano ka doon sa layer of the earth at saka ecosystem? Ayan. Ayaw na niya. Okay.